Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I pre-staged some of this demonstration because I've been getting some comments about you talk too much or you take too long, so I'm going to make this one a little bit faster. This is my Springfield Armory Trophy Match 45, and these are some new magazines that I bought, 10-round magazines. This is a magazine that it came with. 7-round magazine. So why? Well, I came to realize that if I'm going to do any 3-gun shooting or even shooting at the range, 10-round magazines are nice. You don't have to reload as often, okay? Simple. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to make a bump pad or a slam pad for these magazines. These magazines are Italian, Megar, MEGG-AR, and this is original Springfield Armory. They don't put their name on it, but it comes with a bump pad or a slam pad. You might say, why didn't you just buy some? Well, these are, I paid 23 bucks a piece for these. This is like $34. So it's, you know, the math to me says it's going to be about 8 or 10 bucks extra to get these slam pads. And I thought, well, I think I can make something like that. So here's one that I made, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I got a little blue dot in here, so I'm going to try to keep everything right around the center. Everything is going to be in view. Pre-cut. So here we go. Get this stuff out of the way. This is felt with an adhesive on it, like a bump thing that you would use for furniture, basically. So I thought to myself, well, let me wipe this a little bit. Sorry, out of camera, I was just wiping it so I'll get good adhesion. So put that on the bottom. Good. Let's press on it. Make sure the adhesive is good. Next, what I did was take a few wraps. This is fix-it tape or super tape or silicone tape. It does not have adhesive on it. It sticks to itself once it's wrapped around. So I'm going to try and wrap it kind of low so you can still see some information about the magazine. 45 caliber, made in Italy, and Megar. So what I did was wrap this low first. And you stretch it as you wrap it. You stretch it about 50% to make it, I guess it makes it stick better. I'm not sure. But you do stretch it. And you can see how it's sticking to itself. Just give it a little pressure. The next piece I'm going to put is across the bottom, just to make it look nice and to close out that felt bit. So I'm going to go like here, stretch it over there, and bring it down the other side. That's a little bit long. I think I'm going to trim that. Yeah, let's give it a little trim. That's better. So that closes out the bottom, all right? Stick it like that. Now I'm going to go around one more time with this. This is a piece that I cut in half the long way. And this will be like the finished piece. So, stick that in there like that. Alright, here we go. I think I'll start right there. Now make sure this doesn't go down over the edge. Sorry, I might have got a little out of frame there. I'm really trying, guys and gals. Like that. You can see I wrapped that a few times around there. Press it. And there it is. So, still drops good. Drops good. Let's load up one of these and drop it on the ground. This is just a loader. It makes it easier. You know, I'm actually playing around with this loader and one of those Lula loaders. This is like $8 for this loader. Whoop, that one didn't go in far enough. And the Lula is like 35 or 40 bucks. So for me, I'm not sure if it's worth the extra money, maybe. But there's 7 rounds in there. And guess what? I put them in the wrong magazine. See, you get the bloopers with Froggy. All right, let's put this in here. Oops, I didn't quite go down far enough with that one. Just shove it in. There we go. Way down. And there. Alright. Now we're going to drop it. Just put it in there like that. There's nothing in the chamber. And let me pause and I'm going to move the camera. Okay, excuse me being in front of the camera. Now I'm going to show you the drop test. I have to hold it a little bit low so I'm in the frame of the camera. And of course usually you don't drop a full mag loaded on the ground. But I'm just going to show you how this would work. And I do expect probably 1 round will pop out. But we'll just drop it. Nothing dropped out. 1 round came forward a little bit, so that's the idea. That's how it's supposed to work. So save myself 10 times 4 magazines. That's 40 bucks. Maybe you got 10 magazines. That'll be 100 bucks. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later. Froggy out. Bye bye.